What's going on, guys? It's me back, finally posting a video again. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for another Subaru video. Today we are in the Subaru and we are going to be putting on this Accessport. It's 3D printed Cobb Accessport defrost vent mount. I'm not really sure how to do this, so we're just gonna figure out as we go along. But I think that's gonna be a sweet, pretty simple install. I'd rather not have it right here covering the vent I need for like heat and AC. So pretty much we're gonna pop this vent out and then stick this new one in its place. So we're gonna go do that right now. Don't know how to do it, but we're gonna figure it out together. Let's go. You could probably use a panel popper or some type of trim tool to do this better, but I'm just gonna use this knife just because I have it sitting right here in my car right now. So I'm gonna just stick this right in here, just like that. That is out perfect. Well, that came out with no effort. That's nice. Okay, then we're gonna take our Accessport vent mount. Oh, I think I have to move this gauge put up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this up for sure. Bruh. Either way, it's probably gonna be in the way of this gauge pod, so I'm just gonna loosen this gauge pod up, move it up like 2 inches or so, and screw it back in, just so that the Accessport vent mount and the gauge pod aren't like right on top of each other. So let's just do that real quick. I'm pretty sure when I did this I just self-tap it in, so I'm just gonna use my Milwaukee drill with a bit, very fine small bit, to just unscrew this thing. Hopefully it fits. Oh, that works. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to use this black marker and then mark where I think the gauge pod is going to go next. I'm going to bring it up to like, I don't know, right here maybe. So that's where I'm going to screw it into next. I'm going to have to pop out this little side cover thing because I have the wires going through here. This pops out just like that. That's easy enough. Throw that over here. Get some more slack out of this. Nice. Alright, hopefully y'all can see that in a better view. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Hell yeah. Perfect. Alright, just move that thing up like 2 inches. It's actually on there pretty good now, so that's good. Then we'll have to tuck these wires back in. That's easy. With the door seal, it'll hide these wires sticking out. Before I actually put it in all the way though, I think I'm just gonna try and route the wire for the Cobb Accessport right here, because this is the wire that actually plugs into the Accessport. All right. Let's see what we could do here. Not the ideal lighting situation. I'm gonna route it through here, up and over into here, and then up into there, and it'll pop out right here. That's where we need it to be. Alright, let's see if the gauge pod actually fits now. Alright, so far I kind of just pulled the wire up and out here. Very simple to do. Now I'm going to try and stick it up and through there into here. Push it through this thing, and then connect it on. And then put the whole thing down. Alright. That just clicked on pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we got that on. Now we gotta push this back in. So that's how it came out. It's kind of in my way with this thing being here, but I'd rather it be here than down here, so I have that vent again. I could probably put some 3M tape on the back of this just to make it more stable, but overall, super happy with how it looks. Definitely a better place to have it. This Accessport's tweaking right now because my car is off. But yeah, it's definitely gonna work okay. Pretty happy with how it came out, and yeah. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want, if you have any questions. I got this Accessport mount from my buddy who has a 3D printer for pretty cheap, so he kind of hooked me up on that. But I know they sell them on like subimods.com or whatever. I'm sure there's a couple other websites if you guys want your own, but came out pretty sweet, can't complain.